Hello friend, myself Rahul Kumar Singh. Now today we are going to start next topic name is Zenith carburetor. ठीक है? So Zenith carburetor is a British carburetor which is used by many popular companies. It is produced by Zenith Carburetor Company and was found in 1910. In this carburetor, there is no static problem, and also this carburetor provide rich mixture during high speed. So there are various list of component in a Zenith carburetor. So you are looking here in this diagram. So float chamber, main line, main jet, fuel tank, collar, spindle, ball, starting jet, compensating line, choke, and throttle valve. Right? So we are going to discuss construction and working as well. So first of all, we just talk about whole construction of this Zenith carburetor. In this carburetor, float chamber is connected to the venturi via main line. Main function of fuel chamber is to take fuel from the fuel tank. This fuel chamber has two balls, two float and spindle. There is a choke which when closed restrict the air flow to the carburetor. A throttle valve is a valve between the carburetor and the engine which open when fuel is needed by the engine. Fuel from mainline enter to from air fuel mixture through main jet. Apart from main jet, there is a compensating jet also which compensate when more fuel is needed by engine at high speed. This compensating jet gets fuel from reservoir or auxiliary valve. And apart from compensating jet, it is also has starting jet which add engine a type of starting, right? So it also gets fuel from reservoir or auxiliary valve. Now working, if we just talk about the working, so at first fuel from tank enter into float chamber through a passage which is blocked by a spindle present in a float chamber when fuel is not needed, right? So this spindle moves up and down to block and unblock the fuel supply to the fuel chamber. When the fuel supply to fuel chamber decreases, the two floats come down and the two ball also come down with them. As the ball and the spindle are connected like a seesaw, or so when the ball comes down, the spindle comes up and fuel passes to fuel chamber is unblocked. On the other hand, when the fuel supply increase in the fuel chamber, the two floats come up and the ball also come up. As the ball come up, the spindle come down due to seesaw connection between the ball and spindle. When a spindle comes down, the passage is blocked and the fuel supply to fuel chamber stops. So if we just talk about low speed condition, so at low speed when choke is open, the air passes through the venturi where the velocity of air increases and the pressure decreases. Since there is a high pressure due to atmospheric pressure in the fuel chamber and there is low pressure near venturi. So fuel flow from high pressure to low pressure from fuel chamber through main line and comes out to mix with air from main jet. The fuel mixes with air coming from choke to form a mixture. The mixture has a ratio of 15:1 when air is 15 and fuel is 1. That is a proportional or ratio of fuel air mixture. And then this mixture reaches the engine after passing through the throttle valve which is open very little at low speed. So this will work when speed is low, right? Now if you just talk about when speed is very high, right? So at high speed of vehicle, the speed of engine increases, hence producing higher suction. Due to higher suction at Venturi, more fuel is supplied by the main jet, and the fuel is also supplied by compensating jet or auxiliary jet. This auxiliary jet gets fuel from auxiliary valve, but the compensating can supply fuel for supply sometime because the fuel stored in auxiliary valve or reservoir is less and empty at high speed. This reservoir takes time to store the fuel because there is an orifice between the reservoir and fuel chamber. Very less fuel is allowed to pass from fuel chamber to reservoir due to orifice. So at high speed, fuel is spread from main jet as well as compensating jet for some time. So this is the condition for working at high speed. Now if we just talk about working at time of starting, right? Working at time of starting, that means at time of starting, throat wall is almost at close position. There is very little gap for the fuel to pass in throttle wall at time of starting. For starting, a rich mixture is needed by the engine. The air from filter passes through the gap inside of throttle valve, and as the air passes through the gap, velocity of air increases and pressure of air decreases on the upper side of throat valve, and thereby producing suction effect at starting jet, which is placed at top of throat valve, right? So this starting jet also get fuel from the same reservoir from where the compensating jet gets fuel. The fuel is spread by starting jet and the mixes with air present above throat valve to the form a rich mixture. The ratio of air to fuel in this rich mixture is 11 is to 1. This rich mixture reaches the engine and help the engine to start, right? So these are the working of Zenith carburetor in different situation or different conditions. So hope so the working of Zenith carburetor is understand.